Bo Luc Lac or Vietnamese Shaking Beef is a beloved dish known for its bold flavors and perfect sear. Did you know this dish is a staple in Vietnamese celebrations and symbolizes prosperity and happiness? Let's dive into the recipe. The ingredients are simple. We're going to have 250 grams of steak that we are going to be marinating with oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, because no Vietnamese recipe is complete without fish sauce, a splash of dark soy sauce for sweetness and color, a little bit of sugar, black pepper of course, and 1 grated garlic clove. Mix it all together, let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, and for even bolder flavor you can marinate it overnight. Today I am using cherry tomatoes. If you are using them, be sure to cut a small slit so they can cook evenly and release their juices. And of course you can just use regular sliced tomatoes as well. Right before cooking, add a little bit of cooking oil to your meat and coat it well. Heat your wok or pan on high heat and add some cooking oil. Now place your steak into the hot pan. Here is the secret to amazing Bo Luc Lac. Do not overcrowd your pan. Overcrowding will steam the steak instead of searing it, and the sear is where all the flavors come from. If you have a lot of steak, cook it in batches to ensure each piece gets that perfect golden crust. Bo Luc Lac literally means shaken beef. Bo is beef, Luc Lac means shake. So shake it. It's not just delicious, and you get a mini arm workout as well. Once the beef is brutally seared on all sides, add your prepared tomatoes and let them soften. Here are the macros for this recipe. 50 grams of protein for this recipe. If your daily goal is 100 grams like mine, this dish delivers half your protein. For the dipping sauce, mix salt, pepper, and fresh lime juice. Trust me, Bo Luc Lac is not the same without it. The bright, fresh taste of the dipping sauce balances the bold flavor and the dish perfectly. In my family, we always enjoy it with steamed white rice. Hope you like it.